In this video, we will be teaching you how to use your rolling walker. To begin, we will start by opening the handrails. So you're going to just pull the handrail out until you hear a click, and then you will do it on both sides. Then we're going to adjust the legs so that your walker is at the appropriate height. We will flip the walker over, pull it towards you, and then to adjust the length of the legs, push the button in and pull up to make it taller. Push the button in and pull down to make it shorter. Each time, you will want to make sure you hear an audible click to make sure the leg is in place. You will do this on all four sides to make sure they are all on the same level. Once you think you have found the appropriate height, go ahead and flip your walker over so that the wheels are on the ground. And now you are ready to stand up. To stand up, push yourself off of the chair and grab the handrails. To make sure your walker is at the appropriate height, put your hands by the armrest and make sure that the armrest sits at about your wrist. This walker is at the appropriate height. I have a slight bend in my elbows and I am ready to go. If you need to go through a narrow doorway, there is a way to rotate the wheels of the walker inward. So right now, the wheels are on the outside. In order to rotate them in, push in the same button on the back of the leg and rotate so that the wheel is inside. And then make sure that it stays on the same level. You can do this on both sides. Perfect. Until you hear both clicks. You do not have to do anything with the back legs because they do not have wheels on them. Then you're ready to stand back up, and now you can walk through your doorway. For the convenience of carrying small personal items, you can attach a basket or a bag to the front of your walker like so. When you are done using your walker, to close it up so that it fits in your car, you can push the release dial in and push the handle in. You'll do this on both sides.